howdy, hey guys, it's your girl Octo, swimming in to teach you how to download and set up Mixitup Bot. Let's get started. Alrighty, step 1, you're going to open up your handy dandy browser and wait forever for it to open. And then you're just going to search up Mixitup Bot and then go straight to the website. Going to hit download right there. It's going to bring you down here to this download installer. You're going to click that button. It's going to download it straight to your folder. After you accept all the legal jargon and it gets you to this login or new profile, make sure you make a new profile and link it to either your YouTube or Twitch, whichever you're doing. I'm already connected to mine, so I'm just going to hit login. Alrighty, so once you're logged in, yours is going to look a little different. It should probably be blue and white. I have mine set onto a setting, which you can change in your settings. I just like yellow and black, so that's what I went with. But what we're going to do is go to your little hamburger here, and we're going to go down to your accounts and services. We're going to go to services, and then this is when you pull out your handy dandy OBS. Alrighty, once you have this all set up, sorry for the mirror image here in the infinite tunnel, you're gonna have a little screen under OBS. It should say connect. Mine says test connection because mine is already connected, but it tells you here you're gonna go to your web sockets. So we're just gonna go ahead and go to tools up in our OBS, and then we're going to go down to WebSocket server settings, and you're going to click on that guy, and then it's going to give you a password and a port, and you're going to get that information and you're going to plug it right into your OBS settings, and make sure you hit apply and hit OK. Make sure you don't show this to anyone in case you're streaming it or sharing it on your Discord, having people help you out, because this is private information, so make sure you don't share this with anybody, okay? After you have your OBS settings done here, you're going to go in the tab right below it and go to overlay, and then this is what you're going to go into your OBS, and you're going to hit plus on your sources and go to browser. You'll get this little pop-up box here, and this little URL over here, you're going to take that and copy paste it right to your URL. And then make sure you change your width to 1920 by 1080. That's going to be the width and height of your display here for your stream. And then make sure you also click control audio via OBS. That way you can control your OBS audio. If you don't, you're not going to have your little audio mixer down here going off, and that would be quite unfortunate. Now, if you ever have an issue to where it's not connecting, you can always hit refresh cache, and then this should also refresh it. So if you accidentally open OBS before you do Mixitup Bot, you can just go into your little sources here and then scroll all the way to the bottom and refresh it. I do recommend this even if you open Mixitup Bot first, just to make sure everything's on the A-OK. And you see how it auto resized itself. So if you click on it, you can see that the box is fully around my display capture. And that's how you get started on that. If you need to test it, you can hit test connection and it will tell you if it's a success or not. If it doesn't say connected, make sure you go in and double click. And as I said before, scroll down and hit that refresh button. Alrighty guys, so that was a very quick and easy tutorial on how to download and set up Mixitup Bot with OBS. This was my very first YouTube video, so I'm sorry if it was a little scuffed, but I've been requested to make some of these tutorial videos, and once we get the setup going, we can then make our channel points and we can make shoutouts and all those fun things that we do with OBS. If you want to follow me, please subscribe here, and then if you would like to see me live, follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/OctoXButter, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.